head of the trail. Oh, Cosens Bay Express.
Yeah.
I wonder if this even hits the waterfall, you think?
I don't know.
See the lake down there?
Oh, we should just check it out.
So we're gonna make a little detour here, Freaky Creeky. I think that's where the waterfall is. Someone's making a bunch of racket down there. Probably a ranger, cutting up some old logs. So this is where we're gonna go down, and then hopefully we'll cut over to the beach if it's possible. Looks real beautiful down here right now, like a fairy tale. This little tiny bridge. I guess the creek's dried up for the most part. We're heading up. We heard some water off in the distance, so we're hoping there's some sort of a waterfall up here. If not, we'll have to come back in the spring and try to get it when it's at its most powerful. It is really like a carpet, hey? Except it's probably full of insects.
Nice. Wow.
It's so vibrant. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Bunch of witch tit. It's witch tit, I think. Actually, I think that's wrong. I made that up. Witch tit. It's a good name for it though. Even though it doesn't resemble a witch's tit at all, but you know. I think it's actually called witch's hair. Could be wrong. Yeah. We're back out in the open here. We didn't find the waterfall. I don't think it's running right now. Usually in the spring it's at its full capacity, but we're just gonna head down to Cosens Bay here and suntan. Most likely we're the only people, as it is December, mid-December essentially. Look at that though. Still pretty beautiful even though it's not sunny. We're gonna go check out the other smaller beach over here. I don't even know what it's called, or if it has a name at all. Atoll. We'll check. There's Kalamalka Lake. It's nicknamed the Lake of Many Colors. The name comes from either a Hawaiian name from a Hawaiian man that moved here and lived with the First Nations people, or it comes from a First Nations chief, but that's disputed, so who knows. Now we're headed up and over to see what is on the other side of this. There's apparently some cliffs and a rope swing. I think there's a rope swing you can swing off into the water in case he's gonna do it. Well, we made our way up here. We're not sure if this leads to anywhere because we're bushwhacking. Just a bush twacking. And there's basically no trail. So I think we'll call this the end of this little journey. Look at Cosens Bay down there. Ooh wee. Delicious. I think I'm gonna go freaking skinny dipping. Yeah. All by myself. Heading back out to the beach after our uneventful trek through the wet wilderness. My feet are soaked. Casey's feet are soaked. I just said that. Yeah, and then we're gonna walk down the whole beach and then back again and then up and then home and then warm up our little sweet toesies. Ooh. So we're heading back up, 2 shades darker, tan lines, and a smile, you know what I'm saying? One last look at Kalamalka Lake, and we're out of here.